Hello. We begin this very peaceful presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello again. Welcome to the next presentation with me, Teech, Airil Haimi. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in this presentation, I actually need to propose to myself to teach. So I will imagine as if I'm proposing to myself a topic that I would like to do, I would love to do, I would love to present for my persuasive speech. And for that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm choosing this topic: rest, relax, renew. Rest, relax, renew. Right. So what is the story? I'd like to tell all of you why I chose this topic. Why? So to gain your attention, Teech, I'd like to tell you, Teech, I'm choosing this topic. The reason is because we actually nowadays we don't spend too much time relaxing, resting, renewing. Because of that, one of the biggest problems that happen to us is we become old before our time. We become old before our time. So that's one of the reasons why. So please, Teach, I'd like to do this topic because I don't want to be old before my time. Now, I would like to tell also in this presentation, and I hope that people will listen to me as I present. So I'd like to tell them why you need to listen to me. And the reason is simply, we cannot go on living like that. Rushing here, rushing there, rushing here, rushing there, but getting nowhere. So this is why, again, we need to rest. We need to relax. Because after resting, after relaxing, then we get to renew ourselves, we get to renew our spirits, and we can become better tomorrow. So that will be the reason why. I'd like to explain also to you, Teach, the reason for this topic and what data I'll use. I'll use data that show how busy we are. I'll show, for example, photos, like for this one, like to show a photo to give people a way to imagine what will happen, the positive effects they will get if they will relax. So this is my solution, and my solution in my persuasive speech, this topic, rest, relax, renew, is that relax. Take time to look at the sunset going down. Sit by the beach. Listen to the water, the waves. Rest, relax, and renew. I can show also in my presentation, I like to show this is what happens when people get busy. This is rush hour. Rush hour, especially in this time of COVID-19, when you rush here and there, when you get close to people, people are all around you, you are packed like sardines. It's very dangerous also, because you might get that virus and become a victim of it. So this is why people need to listen to me in my presentation. And then I will ask Teach, I will ask my audience to imagine, to visualize. Visualize, imagine. What if we don't rest, we don't relax, we don't renew? And that's what will happen to us. Living in like a zombie city or zombie village or wherever. Nothing there, empty. Everyone is living their lives. Life has no meaning, and at the end of the day, life becomes nothingness, empty. So sad. So that will be the topic that I like to cover. And lastly, for my call to action, I'll show a photo like that. It's a very nice photo. This is the positive effect. When you rest for a while, you relax for a while, you get to renew, you get to live, you get to fight another day. So that's my topic. Rest, relax, and renew. I've given the reasons, Teach, why I like to do this topic, possibly. And for the data, for the information, I'll use just photos. Maybe some statistics. I haven't found any. Statistics of people working, statistics of young people working in Malaysia right now, for example, or maybe statistics about how many people live in towns, in cities, how many people living in villages. But I think this is more than enough, actually, showing all these visuals so that people will know what I mean when I say they need to rest, relax, and renew. Thank you for listening, Teach. Thank you for listening, ladies and gentlemen. I take my leave now. That's my proposed topic for my persuasive presentation. Thank you for listening to me. I'll see you in my next presentation.